Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, you're going to learn how to use arrays in your smart contract using Solidity. Okay, let's get started. So open Remix Ethereum IDE, remix.ethereum.org. So let me tell you what is an array. Array is a data structure which stores a fixed size sequential collection of elements of same type. Okay, what do you mean by that same type collection of elements? Okay, suppose consider an example. You have a bag. Okay, in that bag, uh, bag is a type of fruits. Fruits in the sense you can only add fruits. You cannot add vegetables or chocolates anything like that. You can only add fruits. That's all. Okay, let's see. Suppose you have a fruit like apple and orange and watermelon, right? So apple, orange and watermelon, these are the three values, I mean three fruits are inside this bag. Okay, like apple, orange and watermelon, these three are of same category says fruit category. Like fruit is a data type, so we can add only fruit type data type values inside this bag. Alright, okay. Let me show you how to declare an array. Suppose data type and array name and array size. That's it. This is how you have to declare an array. Okay, we'll see how to use array in our smart contract. Alright. Okay. Uh, let's start to use define like pragma solidity and we'll keep version number 0.6.0 semicolon and contract learn array. Right. Okay, contract array, this is the basic structure of our smart contract, right? Okay, so we'll declare an array. See, I told like array should be of same type, so we'll take unsigned integer and array name as new array, right? And semicolon. So this is how you can define a array. Simple one. Okay, so let's add some values to this array. So we'll take unsigned integer of unsigned integer type. We'll keep what prime numbers, prime number type array. Okay, is equal to prime numbers are like 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7. That's it, 4 elements. So shall we run this and see how we can access array elements. So before that we need to give this as public and same here also public, right? So now we create a function to add the values for this new array. So function add values is the function name. So what we do is new array dot push of push of. So we need to add the value. So we need to give this as unsigned integer of type unsigned integer and value. Okay, this value will be added to new array. So push is a function which takes a single argument, and like this function will take this value and it will add to our new array. Got it? Then we need to give this as public. Alright, then returns unsigned int. Got it? Then we will create a one more function to find the length of this array. Okay, so function length of array, we'll give this as length capital A, length of array. Then public so prime number dot length semicolon. So we are going to return this, return prime number dot length. So we are going to return, so we need to see, so we need to give this as view returns unsigned integer. Got it? So let's compile this. We compile successful and we'll deploy this. Okay, see, we have created a new array and we gave that as a public, so that's why we can see a new array here. Got it? Then the prime number as public, same and is so button here. So first what we do is we'll try to access the first I'll show you the prime number. So if we try to access the elements of prime number, we need to give the index value, like position value. In array, the position value starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, so on like that. So like 2 is in 0th position. If I give 0 and run this function, I'll get the value 2. Got it? If I give here as 1, so I need to get the value as 3. So 3. This is the second position. If I give this as 2, I need to get 3. Oh, sorry, 5. Got it? This is about it. So in this function, let me close this. So this is a function, add value is a function that we are going to add the values for new array. So new array contains none, means no elements in that. So we are going to add some values. So 10 and run this function, and 20 again add value, 30 and 40. So we have added 4 values. Okay, if now we have added the 4 values, so if we need to access the 0th position of that new array, if we give 0 as, we need to get that as 10. Correct? 3, 40. Yes, yep. Then length a, so the prime number, this function is to return the length of prime number. Got it? See, not the length of this array. So we have position is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, but then we have 4 elements. So if we run this function length of a, we need to get the value as 4. Got it? Yeah. So we'll create a one more array of type string, 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 and we'll also give this as public and string array. So it's a name of array, you can change anything whatever you want. So for this example, we'll just take string array as a array name. So okay, oops, yeah, string array is equal to. So we'll give some names of vegetables: carrot, beans, and mm, beans and tomato. And we'll add one more vegetable name, chili. Chili. Even chili is also vegetable. Yeah. So we'll what I will okay, we'll compile this. Okay, compile successful. See, we gave this string array as public, so we'll get okay. We didn't deploy, and we got the new deploy here. So string array. If you need to access the second or first position, so we'll like 0, 1, carrot in 0 position, beans in first position, tomato 2, and 3, chili 3. If I give the address, I mean index size as 2, what will get? So 0, 1, 2, we need to get tomato, right? Yes, see here. Okay. If we give 1, we'll get beans. 0, 0, carrot. Last 3, chili, very spicy. Okay. So I hope you guys learn how to use arrays in Solidity, and you can, when you're creating your own smart contract, you can know how to use the array data structure. So if you have learned something, click a like button there. And if you need to learn more about Solidity, Ethereum, blockchains, and new trending technology, how to implement them scratch, so go and smash that subscribe button. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, have a nice day, bye bye.